Hello from Slovenia again. First, I just want to show this painting from my last pour because I want to use same colors as I did here. Oops, I'll try to show you. I just love these colors, and I already painted my canvas white with white, and I will add some green for background as I did in the last pour, but today I have a square canvas and I will do regular reverse flower dip, and I will see if there will be a difference. But I like this color combination and this green background thing, so we will see how it works with square canvas and regular flower dip. Oh, almost forget. The two winners of my giveaway still didn't send me a mail, so I will wait till tomorrow evening, and if they will not contact me, I will pick another winners. So Kendra and I forgot. Please contact me, or I will pick another winners. And one more thing, I want to thank you, my sponsors today. Thank you, Susan, Jean, Lynn, Linda, two Lindas, Linda Chiason and Linda Carter, Susan, again, Susan Hosko, I don't know if I pronounce it well, Susan, and Christina Welshart, Barbara Potter. This was my sponsors for my channel, and I want to thank you and tell you that I will pick one of you on Tuesday, two for my giveaway. So let's start. I have my Naples yellow for the middle. Whoops, I forget to spread a little bit around this green. It's nothing wrong if I spread this yellow amongst them, because this green gold, it's a bit yellow shade. So, and now I will add yellow, Naples yellow, and I will start with my blue. Oops. I will do 2 rows of petals, so doesn't matter if I drip, and we will see what difference will this make with same colors but different canvas and different layering. Where is my metallic? And my metallic white, I love this effect that metallic white do on these flower petals. And my alizarian crimson. Maybe this will not work at all in this pattern, but I just want to give it a try with the same colors because I love this color combination. Goes so well together, I think. This white in the middle. I will go with crimson next and then white again, and we will grab our paper towel. Maybe too much red, I don't know. Jack. Kaj je? Kaj? Ne moreš. Ne. We'll do one more drop of blue here to the middle. Oops. White all over. Right here in the middle too. Paper towel. Whoops. Sorry. My torch. I will dumped it. But as you know, not too much, not that it's wet completely, just that it's not dry too, because if it's dry, I think that sucks too much paint, so I will try to tap this way first. There is an air bubble, big one. I think that I will lift all this green again with on the beginning like yesterday, but we will see. Maybe I should push this paint just a little bit to the edges, and we will see if this will make some difference, or I pushed my we will see. And I guess that I will have too much green background this time. I was afraid that it will be too white, because I would like to have more green on the previous one, but today maybe I have too much green, I don't know. We'll just see. Just fix this edge because I pull out paint from to the canvas. I get to the canvas almost, so just blend the edges a little bit. Okay, torch. Still a beautiful result with this metallic white, but I almost lost my blue in this one. I don't know why, and I don't know what is here. I almost get to the canvas. I will just try to. Just a second. Don't like this. Add a little bit of this paint. Definitely much different from the first one. But still interesting. So I will try to focus this. I hope that I did. Just still don't know how to deal with my new equipment. But I will learn. So it is interesting, but where is my focus? Just a second. I will do like this. And I will try to show you this way. I don't know, maybe I like it this way the most. I just don't know yet. So this was it. Whoops, just to this was this experiment with the same colors but on the round canvas. See, different result, but kind of like this one too. Maybe I had too much green this time. I should have had less green probably, but I will leave it. I will not touch it, so you will not yell to your phones and computers, stop. I will not mess it around. So this was it for today. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Tell me your thoughts and see you on the next one. Bye.